modern aluminum profile extrusion production has achieved a high degree of automation and intelligence. The entire process begins with the digital design and precision machining of the die, followed by aluminum billets being fed into induction heating furnaces by an automatic loading system. Under the command of a central control system, a large extrusion press performs high-temperature, high-pressure forming. The extruded profiles are automatically grasped by robotic arms and transferred to dual haul-off units for online precision straightening. Subsequently, the profiles proceed through fully automatic fixed-length sewing and aging furnace treatment, with their mechanical properties monitored in real time via a data platform. Surface treatments, such as painting or anodizing, are completed on automated production lines. Finally, high-precision quality inspection and intelligent packaging are carried out by vision inspection systems and robots. Throughout the process, human involvement is limited to monitoring and scheduling, resulting in a production line efficiency increase of over 60% and achieving a new level of product consistency.